Hey everyone, so we're going to be doing another transformation today, but this time we're going to be doing an amplitude transformation rather than a time transformation. So just like last time, we're going to pick out some points, and it's going to be the same points as last time because we're using the same xt value. The same xt graph that we did for our time transformations. So like last time, we're going to copy down those points. So there we go. So -6, -3, 0, and +3. And then we're going to grab the corresponding x of t values. So here we've got 0, here we've got -1 and +1. And then for 0, we're at 1, and at 3, we are back at 0. Now, for the time transformation, what we're going to be doing is amplitude transformation, what we're going to be doing is multiplying the x of t value by 4 and then subtracting 2. So let's get down to doing that math. So at -6, we have 0 because, we actually have -2 because I'm not very good at basic math. So we have 4 times 0 minus 2, that's -2. 4 times -1 is -4, subtract 2, that's -6. 1 times 4 minus 2 is +2. 1 times 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 times 0 minus 2 is equal to -2. So there we go. Now we've got our points, and I'm going to show you. There we go. So there's the initial graph. The graph of the amplitude transformed function. And you can see here, let's go by step. So -6, 0, and -2. So yep, that's at -2. -3 has values of -6 and 2. We have here at 0, we have 2, and at 3, we have -2. One thing to note here is that initially there's a drop from 1 to -1, so that's 2. The total amplitude here is 2, but in this case it's from 2 to -6. So 2 minus 6, that's actually 4. So 4 times 2 is obviously 8. So this graph is, you could say it's 4 times as tall as the original one. So that's where that 4 is coming from. You'll also notice that we've got these tails at the end here. So these theoretically continue. Excuse my shaky line there. And you'll notice that in the original, they're mounted at 0. So when you subtract 2 at the end of your function there, you're basically just lowering the whole graph 2 units. Anyway, that's how you perform an amplitude transformation on a graph. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.